Welcome to this video on the 5 best AI tools for working professionals. These tools are designed to help you get more done in less time, reducing stress and boosting your overall productivity. Many professionals struggle with a productivity gap, spending hours on repetitive tasks like sorting research, transcribing meetings, analyzing data, and writing reports. I can complete these tasks in mere minutes. Let's look at your new AI toolkit: NotebookLM for research, Whisperflow for meeting transcriptions, Julius AI for data analysis, Comet for project management, and GetMulti for multi-agent workflows. First up, NotebookLM by Google, and this one genuinely blew my mind the first time I used it. Here's the problem it solves. You have 10 PDFs, 5 articles, some meeting notes, maybe a few web pages, and you need to actually understand all of it fast. NotebookLM lets you upload all of that as your personal knowledge base, and then you just ask it questions. NotebookLM offers versatile uploads, including PDFs and YouTube links. It provides grounded answers to eliminate hallucinations, auto-generates study guides, and even creates podcast-style audio overviews from your content. For professionals, NotebookLM is perfect for consulting analysis, allowing you to summarize massive due diligence reports in seconds. It is also excellent for marketing intelligence, providing competitive briefings based on your blog post uploads. Audio Overview feature turns your documents into a podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts. Our second tool is Whisperflow. Built on OpenAI's highly accurate speech recognition model, it converts every conversation into a searchable, shareable document, ending the need to manually write meeting notes. Whisperflow features real-time speaker identification and works entirely offline for total privacy. It also provides automated summaries, support for over 90 languages, and integrates directly with tools like Notion and Slack. With Whisperflow, you can focus on active listening during client calls. Afterward, you'll receive clear summaries of discussions and decisions, which you can securely add to your project management systems. Third, we have Julius AI, a powerful AI data analyst. By uploading your spreadsheets, you can interact with your data using simple, plain English queries, effectively eliminating the need for complex formulas. Julius AI offers instant visualizations, advanced processing using Python and R, and automated insight generation. It identifies trends and outliers, explaining complex data in easy-to-understand language. In sales, Julius AI can quickly analyze monthly revenue to pinpoint performance issues. In finance, it can generate charts and draft insights for your presentations, handling the bulk of your work before you even open PowerPoint. Next is tool number 4, Comet. Unlike standard project management software, Comet uses AI to help you actively think through your work, building structured project plans directly from natural language descriptions. Comet features intelligent project planning, workload balancing, and automated status reports. Its AI risk detection capability even flags potential delays, helping you stay ahead of your schedule. For a SaaS launch, you can simply tell Comet your goals. It then generates a full project plan, including milestones and timelines, while automating your weekly status updates for a seamless workflow. Our final tool is GetMulti, an AI orchestration platform. Rather than managing a single chatbot, this tool lets you deploy multiple AI agents that collaborate simultaneously to handle different parts of a complex task. GetMulti offers powerful features, including parallel execution to reduce output time, concurrent actions for multi-threaded productivity, no-code pipelines for automation, and human-in-the-loop checkpoints for quality control. For instance, you can use GetMulti for competitive analysis by running multiple research tracks at once. You can also automate content operations, instantly transforming a single idea into blog posts, captions, and newsletters. To recap, here's my honest take. You don't need all 5 of these right now. Pick the one that solves your biggest frustration and start there. If you're drowning in research, go with NotebookLM. If meetings are eating your life, go with Whisperflow. If data analysis feels scary, go with Julius AI. If projects feel chaotic, go with Comet. And if you want to seriously multiply your output capacity, GetMulti is your answer. Which tool will you try first to solve your biggest frustration? Whether it's research, meetings, data, or project management, pick your first tool and start supercharging your workflow today. Drop a comment below telling me which one you're going to try first. If this video was useful, please subscribe our IT4 Next General channel. I put out a new video every week on the tools and strategies that are genuinely changing how people work. I'll see you in the next one.